How to fix WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck? Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search your app WhatsApp or click here and search. Go to force stop and click OK and go to storage and click clear cache. Don't forget just click clear cache and don't forget click data and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on and turn off mobile data and turn on, and you can restart your phone. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.